Let's get it on.
What is going on, guys? So I just want to go ahead and say thank you for coming to this channel. Unfortunately, I had a issue with another camera that I just got, and it's just doing all kinds of weird stuff. It's not picking up anything. And I went on and put all this footage on it. I thought I was going to do great, and there it goes. So I just want to go ahead and warn you. I try to clean up this video as much as possible. So this is me doing a 15-inch flat pack from Down4Sound. So let's go on and get into the video. Like I said, bear with me. I know it's going to be a little choppy, but let's get it. Alright, so far I'm loving how everything is packaged great. What's in the box? It comes with, of course, your assembly instructions. Apparently it's only screws and glue. It comes with a sticker. Awesome. Love stickers. And it also comes with your terminals. So you don't have to worry about going out and buying your own. It already comes with it. They're really built well. So let's get to building. Alright, so what you're seeing here is that, I was doing all kinds of stuff to this box. I have glue running down the wall, but my biggest concern is that I didn't have a magnetic bit. And every time I put that screw on there, it just popped straight off. It was a real pain in my butt. And, trying to align the wood pieces with each other, it kept sliding across the bench table, and I had to keep holding it, had to keep pressing it. It was just a hot mess. So everything turned out great. I'm excited with it. Now let's paint it. So as you can tell, the box turned out great. I'm super impressed with it. Um, I've never put a box together, and I would say the only issues that I had with the box, not really the box, is with myself. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I didn't have a magnetic bit, and my screws kept falling off, so I had to go back through all my footage, delete a whole bunch of stuff. Everything was not lining up like I wanted to, but everything turned out the way it should have, and I'm super impressed with the box, and I believe that you guys will actually love it. So go over there to Down for Sound, go check out their flat packs, and you will have a really nice box in your ride. So with that being said, guys, this is I Need Bass signing out. Peace.
Let's get it on.